In the event of a cardiac emergency, knowing the sequence of actions for effective cardiopulmonary resuscitation, CPR, is crucial. The CAB approach is a fundamental principle that guides the steps required to resuscitate an unresponsive individual. This chapter focuses on the sequence of actions to perform CPR effectively. Step 1. Compressions. Understanding the significance of chest compressions in CPR. We'll cover the correct hand placement, depth, and rate of compressions necessary to circulate oxygenated blood throughout the body. Step 2. Airway. Establishing and maintaining an open airway is essential to ensure effective breathing. The upcoming chapter will discuss the methods to clear the victim's airway obstruction and position the head correctly for optimal air exchange. Step 3. Breathing. Administering rescue breaths properly can provide essential oxygen to the victim's lungs and bloodstream. We'll explain the technique for delivering rescue breaths, the correct ratio of breaths to compressions, and considerations for rescue breathing in different situations. This chapter aims to provide comprehensive guidance on the CAB sequence, enabling you to perform critical CPR techniques confidently and effectively. Understanding the correct sequence and techniques is vital for maximizing the chances of survival during cardiac emergencies.